Garlic is a totally natural and most surprising home cure which is advantageous in the treatment of erectile brokenness and ineptitude. Garlic is otherwise called a sexual enhancer since garlic improves the blood dissemination altogether from the clinical perspective. Clinical explorers demonstrated that garlic in specific structures can animate the creation of NOS, especially in people who have low degrees of this chemical. A catalyst called nitric oxide synthase, NOS, is fundamentally liable for the component of erection. Fables going back hundreds of years have hailed garlic as a love potion, and now examines have also proven this legend to be valid. We know that garlic helps in blood dissemination and keeps veins and corridors energetic, yet that is just a single way it assists with barrenness. Garlic contains several minerals and supplements. Almost certainly, nobody fixing is the dynamic fixing. To acquire an erection, a catalyst is required called nitric oxide synthase, and mixes in garlic animate the creation of this chemical in individuals who experience the ill effects of low degrees of it. It is a homegrown, characteristic, and innocuous Spanish fly. As per a prominent sexologist of the United States, garlic has an articulated sexual enhancer impact. It is a natural medication or tonic for loss of sexual force because of any reason, and for sexual weakness and impotency coming about because of sexual overindulgence and apprehensive weariness. Specialists prescribe that a few cloves of crude garlic should be bitten day by day. Garlic additionally assists with absorption as it is a gastric energizer. It acts in numerous territories, for example, it goes about as an enemy of Florida talent, carminative and diaphoretic. It animates the kidneys and is diuretic in nature. It is a tonic, invigorating, and imperativeness. It is an expectorant, especially affecting the bronchial and aspiratory emissions. It is valuable for the eyes and mind. It assists with recuperating broken bones. It is an incredible germicide. It has allicin, which has the property to wreck germs which are not executed by penicillin. All things considered, it is an incredible germicidal. It rehabilitates sexual breakdowns. It improves the utilitarian movement of weighty smokers. Half a crude garlic clove daily can expand body action to disintegrate blood clumps, along these lines forestalling coronary episodes and strokes. Several crude garlic cloves day by day can bring blood cholesterol levels down in heart patients. All things considered, garlic's adequacy and well-being come from these fixings cooperating in the show. What's more, if a specific fixing should be discovered more intense than the others, and that fixing was secluded and made into medicine, it will presumably have groundbreaking negative results like basically every other medication being used today. Presently nowadays, there are numerous natural just as FDA-endorsed doctor-prescribed prescriptions such as Viagra, Cialis, Levitra, non-exclusive Viagra. Viagra and Cialis is a fruitful recommended prescription for erectile brokenness.